This house is up for sale again. You're gonna have new residents here living with you.